Welcome to Arizona, where the weather can go from sunny to that in no time at all. Heavy rainfall, rainy day. But hey, it smells amazing and I love it. The smell of rain is so refreshing, it cleanses everything. I don't know if you can see how hard the rain is falling. And over there, it's falling like pretty bad. Well, it's actually a downpour from the roof, but it's falling pretty hard. So me and the girls are just staying in while it rains. Little Tori here. Well, she's doing just perfect. She's on her way to crawling. Hurry, baby girl. And she loves to say dada. You can say dada for us? You can say dada for us? You can say dada for us? Come on, say dada for us. Dada. Yeah, there's that. Persephone here. How you doing, Persephone?
I'm seeing a bird in the rain.
She sees a bird in the rain. Anyway, little Persephone here has an appointment with speech therapy at the county hospital. Finally got her behavioral health referral to go through. On my end, things are looking up. I have myself, bad lighting, hold on. On my end, things are looking up. I've got a job now, woo! I had my interview today and she told me she was gonna hire me. Things are looking up for me, woo! So yeah, that's just a quick little rainy day update. Peace.